Official Samartex from Samurai Boy Aji the Ghana Premier League 2023-2024. Samurai Boy base club Samartex Aji League with 2 games to spare. Omaji Yembo coach Nuruddin Abaso on an Emrantiano. Yes, Emmanuel Keye Kemo and the other players. Ivan Sosewusu any players or more Samartex management yebo biaba so but match day 32 results and da hono Asante Kotoko lose to Great Olympics by 1-0 Efie Dreams FC Eshe Karela Bekum Chelsea Eshe Real Tamale United and a Mediama Eshe Tenefima Heart of Lions be share no another shocking results ani Kumasi Asante Kotoko di nyina yayepe Isuatremane Accra Lions ebo 1-1 eno eye results are epiem ewo match day 32 na match day 32 no games ne hyase ewo Friday na Accra so folk mo be kai say phobia ye enso ehye team a ye frɛ no Nations FC ewo Nkran by 2-0 ewo Nkran yentie na yenhye no nso eti games no ni nyina ne wrap up say the koye Bechem United enso Emma ehye Aduana by 1-0 eno ene ma Samartex G League no because Aduana lose enti ontimi 2 games no she ni nyina akra ontimi nkache up ena Legon Cities enso ehye before quarter no was to say officially or relegation on the RTU league table no say ena aye Samartex A lead with 58 points first position Aduana at the second position with 49 so aka 2 games near we 49-58 no we dan a waje awie Mediama etoso third position with 49 Nations FC at the 4th and also 48 points and Accra Lions 5th position with 48 points Bechem United 6th position with 47 points Bekum Chelsea at the 7th position and also 47 points Miyahwehwe Asante Kotoko there or that I think 10th position yes ehona Kotoko da Nsuatreman enso at the 8th position with 46 points and Legon Cities enso 9th position with 44 points Asante Kotoko 43 points on the 10th position and baby any Gold Stars ekura 43 points with 11th position Accra House of Folk phobia ye every relegation zones are better 12th position with 41 points and 13th position in Heart of Lions and also ekura 41 points Dreams FC with 2 outstanding games on the 14th position with 41 points and also the ewoho yammo Samartex for no abaso pa Omaji League with 2 games to spare omaya the 15th position Karela say ni ticket can at the counter ni ticket can metro mu or 15th position with 40 points and a relegation Great Olympics and also 39 points but our 1 outstanding game and team Yefreno but for Aquatano and also 32 points or 33 points with 17 position on also relegation Real Tamale United even though so also outstanding but also relegation into Great Olympics and I say only Dreams only Karela but so ama relegation for no ayo official now Amankra still now will lead with 16 goals and also 1 goal Mukwala Tosu Mienu with 14 goals Hamza Isa 13 goals Mukunyele Real Tamale United or 11 goals Ivan Sosewusu at the back can 11 goals and Aban or Heart of Lions got 10 goals what in a free in the 10 or what now ache or that's so 10 goals a Goalking race no and Mediama no Samartex champions of Ghana Premier League 2023-2024. Congratulations to Samartex entire team, coach, technical team, management. Obia super.